Planned corrective maintenance. There are two ways that corrective maintenance can be planned. Number 1, corrective maintenance is planned when a run-to-failure maintenance strategy is used. This is when an asset is allowed to run until it breaks down and is then repaired or replaced. This type of corrective maintenance only works with non-critical assets that are easily and cheaply repaired or replaced, or with systems that have redundancies. Number 2, corrective maintenance is planned when it's performed as part of preventive maintenance or condition-based monitoring. Both preventive and condition-based maintenance attempt to find problems before they cause equipment failure. If a problem is found, maintenance can be planned and scheduled.